What's up, you guys? Ron and Celine here. Welcome back to the channel, and today we are gonna head up north to a place known as the Switzerland of Thailand. You know, where I hear that if we are lucky enough, we might just wake up in a sea of clouds. Amazing, what a sight, what a sight. Hey guys, we are here at the Sands Resort, and this place is definitely a bucket list destination. I mean, take a look at this view. Wow. Wow. That is it. That's our balcony, and this is the view that we wake up to in the morning. Pretty amazing. And that's our room right over here. Welcome to Switzerland. I don't know, can you see the castle in the background? Wow, look, no, the castle is here. Wow.
Everywhere.
Castle everywhere. So, nope, we are not in Switzerland. We are still in Thailand at a place known as the Blue Sky Garden. And this place is beautiful.
It's really blue sky.
Yeah, blue skies, flowers, castles. It's a very European kind of vibe to this place. Very cool. Oh, look at this sunset today. Wow, you can see the light rays just coming out. Phenomenal. Wow. Final sunset here at Khao Kho. Today we are on the other side of the mountain, so it's a different view, but it's still the same epic sunset. You know, it's hard to describe. Khao Kho is really amazing. What can you say about it, my dear?
I just wish those clouds would move.
Yeah. Then again, I really have no complaints. This place is absolutely beautiful. We were just there. Today we are here. Here. Anytime now, the sun is gonna set. No way. Sea of clouds again. Wow.
I feel like I can dance.
Yeah. 2 days out of 3. How lucky can we get? This amazing. This is amazing. The Switzerland of Thailand. You are truly stunning. Wow.
And that's it for this week's video.
Well, you guys, you know what to do. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Until then, we will see you guys in the next adventure. Bye!